everyone, welcome back to, I believe, our last and final installment of our PT1010 Label Maker series. Whoop, whoop, whoop. For this video, we're going to be focusing on the time and date feature, which actually, this is the first label maker I've had across all the label makers I've tried that has this awesome little feature. I really think it's so cute, and I don't know why more label makers don't have it. Before I get started, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. It is so helpful with work, and I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's get started.
All right, when it comes to editing your time and date, this machine is pretty easy and actually gives you 9 different formats of ways to view your time and date. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit function, not the time and date, function, and we're gonna arrow until we see time, date, and then there we can change the format, the clock. So let's start with the format. So this is month, day, year. These are all the things that you can do. We'll go like that. And then let's say we'll hit function, time and date, and we're gonna go ahead and change the clock. We're gonna hit clock, even if it's the, for month, we're still gonna hit clock. So like this, you're gonna make it February, we'll arrow over and we'll say the 13th. And then we're gonna arrow over again and hit 23 and hit enter. Now for time, we can just say, okay, it's 10, arrow, o'clock, enter. And then we can decide AM or PM, and it's AM. Now again, to do that, we hit function, we went to time and date and hit enter, and then we arrowed to clock. Now remember, clock is just, not only is it time, but it's also the date. So that's how we would enter our date. I'm happy with the date, we'll hit enter again. 3 times, for the month, day, and year. We're happy with the time here. And then AM, you could have arrowed and hit enter. Now, if that's to edit the time and date, so time and date, you're gonna hit function, arrow to time and date. You can either change the format, meaning how it's displayed, you have 9 different options, or you can edit the actual time. Now, if you're printing a label and you want time and date, you would hit this button right here, and it's gonna automatically pop up for you and you can print it.
I hope you're liking what we're doing so far. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go.
Now for this example, it's showing me the month in the middle and the date on the outside, but you can change the way it's displayed. So in order to change the way it's displayed, what we'll do is we'd hit function, we'd arrow to time and date, hit enter, format, and then day, month, year. We could do dots in there. I mean, you could really do year, month, day. You have 9 options, so we'll kind of go generic there. And so all you would do now, you've already selected your format through function, but to print it, you would hit this on the actual machine, if that makes sense. So one more time, to edit your time and date, you're gonna hit the function key and arrow. To print the time and date that you've already put into your machine, you're gonna hit time and date right there.
And it's as easy as that. I hope you've enjoyed this PT1010 Label Maker series. If you're wondering how to do something, or hey, I missed something, I feel like you should have included this, let me know in the comments below. But also don't forget to check the playlist on our page, because I'll have all of the videos from this series ready to go in a play-by-play, and you can start at the very beginning all the way to the end. See you soon. Bye-bye.